Winning isn't something that happens suddenly when the whistle blows and the crowd roars. Winning is something that builds you physically and mentally every day that you train and every night that you dream. Winning is about preparation, courage, understanding, and nurturing our minds, hearts, and upskilling ourselves. Winning is the result. Today, we are here to celebrate the success and achievements of our students. It is my honor to welcome you all on this spectacular day. This is the day we have been waiting for. Together, let us witness and discover the beauty of this day, the jubilation day for the annual examinations, a spectacular day for all of us. Prayer, a man's greatest power, the key to all the treasures of life and hereafter. Let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty with a prayer song. Everything in the universe has a rhythm with an activity of God, with the power to heal and that which has come from the people. We have Ruvantika of class 5 to commemorate the Almighty with a dance. Thank you, Rowantika, for the graceful performance. A glad evening filled with hopes, dreams, and excitement. I now request Satvika to welcome our honorable guests and parents to this spectacular event.
Learning to celebrate success is the key to learning how to keep winning. Today we are here to celebrate what we have achieved and to raise the bar a little higher. I take immense pleasure in presenting the welcome speech for this momentous occasion, the Jubilation Day of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kalapakkam. I believe that everyone present here is in good health and are looking forward for today's event. I extend a very warm welcome to one and all present here. With the blessings of our chairman sir, who has always been an inspiration to all and under whom this program is initiated, I welcome our director sir and director ma'am, who have always been the source of encouragement and have always offered the best learning environment for students. Hearty welcome sir and ma'am. Indeed, we take great pride and honor in welcoming our school heads and teachers who have always been instrumental in guiding us and have been child-friendly mothers to us. They have worked endlessly to shape our young minds. They inspire hope, enlighten us, and infuse a passion for learning. Welcome, dear teachers. This incredible ceremony would have not been possible if not for all parents. I take this golden opportunity in welcoming each and every parent who have taken time out of their busy schedules and who have gathered here to make this day more special and memorable. Hearty welcome, dear parents. Last but certainly not the least, I extend a warm welcome to all my dear friends, the proud students of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kalapakkam. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you, Satvika. Now I call upon Ms. Ranisha to call out the names of the jubilant winners of Grade 3.
Samartha of Class 3 has secured first rank with a score of 397 on 400. Lohit Darshan of Class 3 has secured first rank with a score of 397 on 400. Diya of Class 3 has secured first rank with a score of 397 on 400. Darsharun Prasad of Class 3 has secured second rank with a score of 396 on 400. Leah of Class 3 has secured second rank with a score of 396 out of 400. Samantha of Class 3 has secured third rank with a score of 395 out of 400. Pranav Chandrasekhar of Class 3 has secured third rank with a score of 395 out of 400. Sri Vijay of Class 3 has secured third rank with a score of 395 out of 400. Jonisha of Class 3 has secured 394.5 on 400. Falisha Hasmat Farheen has secured 394 on 400. Varshika Shankari of Class 3 has secured 394 on 400. Eben T. Joji of Class 3 has secured 393.5 on 400. Akshat Balasubramani of Class 3 has secured 393 on 400. Zara Diana of Class 3 has secured 393 on 400. Sai Sarvesh of Class 3 has secured 393 on 400. Sanjana K of Class 3 has secured 393 on 400. Diksha of Class 3 has secured 392.5 on 400. Anika S of Class 3 has secured 392 on 400. Sahana D of Class 3 has secured 392 on 400. Mahaprasad of Class 3 has secured 392 on 400. Hansika Phyllis of Class 3 has secured 392 on 400. Yarini of Class 3 has bagged 392 on 400. Suchi of Class 3 has secured 391.5 on 400. Ritanya of Class 3 has secured 391 on 400. Sahana of Class 3 has secured 391 on 400. Dikshita of Class 3 has secured 391 on 400. Shanmati of Class 3 has secured 390.5 on 400. Bhavisha of Class 3 has secured 390 on 400. Shrudula of Class 3 has secured 390 on 400. Subiksha of Class 3 has secured 390 on 400. Liana Venantius of class 3 has secured 390 on 400. Sahasrashri of class 3 has secured 390 on 400. Sanjana GS of class 3 has secured 390 on 400. Dev of class 3 has secured 390 on 400. Lara of class 3 has got 390 on 400. Sai Kaushik of class 3 has secured 389.5 on 400. Srinand Suresh Warrior of class 3 has secured 389 on 400. Bala Selvamani of class 3 has secured 389 on 400. Meghashri of class 3 has secured 389 on 400. Shivani of class 3 has secured 389 on 400. Niranjan of class 3 has got 389 on 400. Dikshita of class 3 has secured 388.5 on 400. Adam Safifullah of class 3 has secured 388.5 on 400. Mishti of class 3 has secured 388 on 400. Yashwant of class 3 has secured 388 on 400. Gautam K of class 3 has secured 388 on 400. Praveen Kumar K of class 3 has secured 388 on 400. Kavya R of class 3 has secured 388 on 400. Kabilan of class 3 has secured 388 on 400. Ananya Christian of class 3 has secured 387.5 on 400. Daksh of class 3 has secured 387 on 400. Darsha of class 3 has secured 387 on 400. Arjun of class 3 has secured 387 on 400. Prajin of class 3 has secured 387 on 400. Jaitra of class 3 has secured 387 on 400. Nitya Shri of class 3 has secured 387 on 400. Rishi of class 3 has secured 386.5 on 400. Pranav Narayanan of class 3 has secured 386 on 400. Abhinav of class 3 has secured 386 on 400. Dakshin Balaji of class 3 has secured 386 on 400. Jeev Mahiyaki of class 3 has secured 386 on 400. Kaushika V of class 3 has secured 385 on 400. Yashita of class 3 has secured 385 on 400. RF Kannan of class 3 has secured 384 on 400. Kirtana Raghav of class 3 has secured 384 on 400. Jonas Catlin of class 3 has secured 384 on 400. Kavya of class 3 has secured 384 on 400. Karthikesh of class 3 has secured 384 on 400. Tarunika K of class 3 has secured 384 on 400. Siddharth of class 3 has secured 384 on 400. Prahalya K of class 3 has secured 383.5 on 400. Mithileshwar of class 3 has secured 383 on 400. Hema Varshini of class 3 has secured 383 on 400. Vismita of class 3 has secured 383 on 400. Kanishka of class 3 has secured 383 on 400. Revanth Raghav of class 3 has secured 382.5 on 400. Dwarakesh of class 3 has got 382.5 on 400. Sanjay of class 3 has secured 382.5 on 400. Harshiv of class 3 has secured 382.5 on 400. Keshav of class 3 has secured 382 on 400. Mritula of class 3 has secured 382 on 400. Vibhisan of class 3 has secured 382 on 400. Sana of class 3 has secured 382 on 400. Sandra Anthelin of class 3 has secured 381.5 on 400. Adarsh of class 3 has secured 381.5 on 400. Samuel Devraj of class 3 has got 381.5 on 400. Akshay Kumar of class 3 has secured 381 on 400. Vivin of class 3 has secured 381 on 400. Bala Vidyut of class 3 has secured 381 on 400. Sai Lalit Kurapati of class 3 has secured 380 on 400. Srimati of class 3 has secured 380 on 400. Srinivas of class 3 has secured 380 on 400. Harshita M of class 3 has secured 380 on 400. Monica of class 3 has secured 379.5 on 400. Charlotte Shivanna Royan of class 3 has secured 379.5 on 400. Kashini Meenakshi of class 3 has secured 379.5 on 400. Vamina Surya Sai Lokesh of class 3 has secured 379 on 400. Sai Ajish of class 3 has secured 378.5 on 400. Akilan K of class 3 has secured 378 on 400. Jia Shri of class 3 has secured 378 on 400. Harshita G of class 3 has secured 377 on 400. Vinaya of class 3 has secured 377 on 400. Aditi of class 3 has got 376 on 400. Prateet KK of class 3 has got 376 on 400. Kavin Sanjay of class 3 has scored 375.5 on 400. Chidrupi of class 3 has secured 375 on 400. Ganit of class 3 has secured 375 on 400. Aryan Raj of class 3 has secured 375 on 400. Nitish of class 3 has got 375 on 400. Manoj Kumar of class 3 has secured 375 on 400. Sri Dakshini of class 3 has scored 375 on 400. Harshini Shri of class 3 has scored 375 on 400. Shivacharan of class 3 has secured 374.5 on 400. Sanjana has secured 374 on 400. Meena Ashmita of class 3 has secured 374 on 400. Dikshan of class 3 has secured 374 on 400. Ananda Kannan of class 3 has secured 373 on 400. Gauravipili of class 3 has scored 372 on 400. Chandana of class 3 has secured 372 on 400. Magir Vadani of class 3 has secured 372 on 400. Shruti of class 3 has secured 372 on 400. Mithun Prabhakar of class 3 has scored 371.5 on 400. Leandra Join of class 3 has secured 371.5 on 400. Sanjay of class 3 has secured 371 on 400. Sanjeevni of class 3 has secured 371 on 400. Katlin of class 3 has secured 371 on 400. Varun Vishwa of class 3 has got 371 on 400. Niharika of class 3 has scored 371 on 400. Rakshan of class 3 has secured 370.5 on 400. Yashwant of class 3 has secured 370.5 on 400. Sai Ishwar of class 3 has secured 370 on 400. Nadish of class 3 has secured 370 on 400. Adavan of class 3 has secured 370 on 400. Akshaya P of class 3 has secured 369.5 on 400. Yasashwin of class 3 has secured 369 on 400. Pranav Sai of class 3 has secured 369 on 400. Aradhya of class 3 has secured 368 on 400. Diyash of class 3 has secured 368 on 400. Kannan of class 3 has secured 368 on 400. Gideon Nuvrev Samuel of class 3 has secured 367.5 on 400. Charan of class 3 has secured 367 on 400. Bhuneshwaran has secured 367 out of 400. Shrutik of class 3 has secured 366 out of 400. Mohammad Nihal has secured 365.5 out of 400. Lakshan of class 3 has secured 365 out of 400. Nishant of class 3 has scored 365 out of 400. Jai Saran has secured 364.5 on 400. Ridhumbara of class 3 has secured 363 out of 400. Dhanashri Ram of class 3 has secured 363 out of 400. Kishal of class 3 has secured 362.5 out of 400. Prithvi Vasan of class 3 has secured 362.5 out of 400. Kenisha Andrea of class 3 has secured 362.5 out of 400. Ganla Likit Babu of class 3 has secured 362 on 400. Pavesh M of class 3 has secured 362 out of 400. Harshavardhan of class 3 has secured 362 out of 400. Harshad Bala of class 3 has secured 362 out of 400. Santosh Anderson of class 3 has scored 361 out of 400. Levishma Sharan of class 3 has secured 361 out of 400. Anushka of class 3 has secured 360.5 out of 400.
I request Ms. Vanisha to call out the names of the students of grade 4 who have made us proud.
Jeevashri of class 4 has secured first rank with a score of 399 out of 400. Advait Amit Phadekar of class 4 has secured second rank with a score of 398 out of 400. Jitin T. Jijesh of class 4 has secured third rank with a score of 397 out of 400. Sahana Karthikeyan of class 4 has secured third rank with a score of 397 on 400. Ashwant of grade 4 has secured 395 out of 400. Girish of class 4 has secured 395 out of 400. Swarup Kumaramangalam of class 4 has secured 395 out of 400. Ananya of grade 4 has secured 395 out of 400. Chidambaram of class 4 has secured 395 out of 400. Harini of class 4 has secured 394 out of 400. Vivita of class 4 has secured 394 out of 400. Shakti Shri of class 4 has secured 393 on 400. Nitika of class 4 has secured 393 out of 400. Aditi of class 4 has secured 392 out of 400. Pranav of class 4 has secured 392 out of 400. Pranav Mahesh of class 4 has secured 391 out of 400. Kritik Arun of grade 4 has secured 391 out of 400. Sugant of class 4 has secured 391 out of 400. Diksha of grade 4 has secured 391 out of 400. Harini of class 4 has secured 391 out of 400. Isha Maria Jijo of grade 4 has secured 390 out of 400. Ashwin Aditya of grade 4 has secured 390 out of 400. Naurin of grade 4 has secured 390 out of 400. Sai Arjit of class 4 has secured 390 out of 400. Lohit K of class 4 has secured 390 out of 400. Ayush of class 4 has secured 399.5 on 400. Arshit of class 4 has secured 389 on 400. Prithvijit of grade 4 has secured 389 out of 400. Raghav of grade 4 has secured 389 out of 400. Kabiksha of class 4 has got 389 out of 400. Durga of grade 4 has secured 388 out of 400. Andren Samuel of grade 4 has secured 388 out of 400. Dia of grade 4 has secured 388 out of 400. Abhay Krishnan of class 4 has secured 387 out of 400. Jai Saravanan of grade 4 has secured 387 out of 400. Prajna of grade 4 has secured 387 out of 400. Niklesh Ram of grade 4 has secured 386 out of 400. Sri Varshita of grade 4 has secured 386 out of 400. Satvika of class 4 has secured 386 out of 400. Arvind Raj of class 4 has secured 385.5 out of 400. Bhagyashri of class 4 has secured 385 out of 400. Mitra of class 4 has got 385 out of 400. Kirtana of class 4 has scored 385 out of 400. Ubashna of class 4 has secured 385 out of 400. Tachita of grade 4 has secured 384 out of 400. Ananya of class 4 has got 384 out of 400. Vaishnavi of grade 4 has secured 384 out of 400. Kanishk of class 4 has secured 384 out of 400. Vasigaran of class 4 has secured 383.5 out of 400. Vishwajanani of class 4 has secured 383.5 out of 400. Shravan Chidambaram of class 4 has secured 383 out of 400. Kaniksha of class 4 has secured 383 out of 400. Tashwin of class 4 secured 383 out of 400. Mohanish of class 4 has secured 382.5 out of 400. Kanish Kartikeya of class 4 has secured 382 out of 400. Raya P. Manohan of class 4 has secured 382 out of 400. Tanmayi of grade 4 has secured 381 out of 400. Kenisha Shri of class 4 secured 381 out of 400. Ashwin Raj of class 4 has secured 381 out of 400. Kumaran of class 4 has secured 381 out of 400. Petrina Rosario of class 4 has secured 381 out of 400. Amarish of class 4 has secured 379.5 out of 400. Guru Pranav of class 4 has secured 378 out of 400. Sarvesh of class 4 has secured 378 out of 400. Sai Shriram of class 4 has secured 378 out of 400. Sarvesh of class 4 has secured 378 out of 400. Prakriti of class 4 has secured 378 out of 400. Vishnu Lakshmi of class 4 has secured 378 out of 400. Rakshita Shri of class 4 has scored 377 out of 400. Raghavi of class 4 has secured 377 out of 400. Pranav Kaushik of class 4 has secured 377 out of 400. Kavin of class 4 has secured 376 out of 400. Vaibhav of class 4 has secured 376 out of 400. Vaishnavi of class 4 has secured 376 out of 400. Sampriti of class 4 has secured 375.5 out of 400. Sagamuri Chidvilash of class 4 has secured 375.5 out of 400. Sujay Sarvesh of class 4 secured 375 out of 400. Nadine of class 4 secured 375 out of 400. Sachin of class 4 secured 375 out of 400. Mirhana Krishore of class 4 secured 374.5 out of 400. Abhinav K of class 4 has secured 374 out of 400. Perakram Sai Venkadakshit of class 4 secured 374 out of 400. Varshini Reddy of class 4 has secured 374 out of 400. Advay Anand of class 4 secured 374 out of 400. Janashivani of class 4 secured 374 out of 400. Ryan Nadarva of class 4 has secured 374 out of 400. Jashvika of class 4 has secured 373 out of 400. Logadarshini of class 4 has scored 373 out of 400. Madhavan of class 4 has secured 373 out of 400. Dashnam Sharin of class 4 secured 372.5 out of 400. Joshika of class 4 has secured 372 out of 400. Joshita of class 4 secured 372 out of 400. Pranati of class 4 has secured 372 out of 400. Sai Roshan of class 4 has secured 371 out of 400. Vinisha Sharil of class 4 secured 370 out of 400. Prem Kumar of class 4 has secured 369 out of 400. Vafika of class 4 has secured 368.5 out of 400. Siddharth of class 4 has secured 368 out of 400. Yogit of class 4 has secured 368 out of 400. Lakshay Chand of class 4 has secured 367.5 out of 400. Sarvesh of class 4 secured 367.5 out of 400. Lohit of class 4 has secured 366.5 out of 400. Tushika of class 4 secured 366.5 out of 400. Lakshana R of class 4 has secured 366 out of 400. Lokesh of class 4 has secured 366 out of 400. Vishant of class 4 has secured 366 on 400. Pratiksha of class 4 has secured 366 on 400. Sudiksha of class 4 has secured 366 on 400. Abhinaya of class 4 has secured 365.5 on 400. Sana of class 4 has secured 365 out of 400. Hariharan of class 4 has secured 365 out of 400. Santosh of class 4 has secured 365 out of 400. Harish of class 4 has secured 364.5 out of 400. Seduraman of class 4 has secured 364 on 400. Kirtana Satish has secured 363 on 400. Sanjit of class 4 has secured 363 on 400. Arjun Raj of class 4 has secured 362 on 400. Rochelle Daniel of class 4 has secured 361 out of 400. Vedesh of class 4 has secured 361 out of 400. Pooja of class 4 has secured 361 out of 400. Darshanesh of class 4 has secured 361 out of 400. Kritika Reddy of class 4 has secured 360.5 out of 400. Thank you.
Ms. Priya is here to announce with pride the names of the students of grade 5 toppers.
The first place goes to Ms. Farhat Fareen G with a score of 396. Again, a first prize goes to Aisha S with a score of 396. The second place goes to Mugilan S with a score of 394. Again, a second place goes to Litra Dashini P with a score of 394. The third place goes to Ms. Preeti J with a score of 393. Ms. Nityashree K has secured 392.5 out of 400. Master Rahul V has secured 392 out of 400. Master Mugundan S has secured 392 out of 400. Master Avinash B has secured 392 out of 400. Ms. Srinidhi Asan K has secured 391.5 out of 400. Master Pradmesh P has secured 391 out of 400. Priyanka S has secured 389.5 out of 400. Ms. Prarthana has secured 389 out of 400. Ms. Aishwarya V has secured 389 out of 400. Ms. Harini B has secured 389 out of 400. Master Akshintala Rishi has secured 388 out of 400. Ms. Charmati M has secured 387 out of 400. Master Abhit Radev A has secured 386 out of 400. Master Sarvesh SP has secured 384 out of 400. Ms. Tanvika S has secured 383 out of 400. Lionel Venantius L has secured 382 out of 400. Master Jonah Habakuk I has secured 382 out of 400. Ramishetty Gropika Prasanna has secured 381.5 out of 400. Ms. Vismaya V Nair has secured 381 out of 400. Master Akil Murali Krishnan has secured 381 out of 400. Ms. Samyukta S has secured 381 out of 400. Ms. Yarini P has secured 379.5 out of 400. Master Parvesh S has secured 379.5 out of 400. Ms. Sarika J A has secured 379 out of 400. Ms. Raksha Rajesh has secured 379 out of 400. Ms. Veda Shri P has secured 379 out of 400. Ms. Ritika AMS has secured 379 out of 400. Ms. Srinidhi A has secured 378 out of 400. Ruvantika J has secured 379.5 out of 400. Ms. Janga Kartika K J has secured 377 out of 400. Ms. Jiola Raj has secured 377 out of 400. Master Sriram K has secured 376.5 out of 400. Master Charan RD has secured 376 out of 400. Ms. Divya Darshini G has secured 376 out of 400. Harvind Raj has secured 376 out of 400. Ritul TK has secured 376 out of 400. Master Anurupian has secured 375 out of 400. Master Yashwanti S has secured 375 out of 400. Miss Pranita IP has secured 375 out of 400. Kevin Karthik S has secured 375 out of 400. Kanata Tirupati has secured 374 out of 400. Miss Simra Wasim Muhammad has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Aryanachi G has secured 372 out of 400. Master Raju S has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Asini B has secured 372 out of 400. Miss Varshini V S has secured 371 out of 400. Miss Anshika M has secured 371 out of 400. Master Bhuvanesh Kumar B has secured 370.5 out of 400. Master Darshan M has secured 369.5 out of 400. Master Ayan Bhattabyal has secured 369 out of 400. Miss Riya Ranjit Kumar has secured 369 out of 400. Miss Tanya Shri Har has secured 369 out of 400. Master Tejashwin RJ has secured 369 out of 400. Miss Saitri Netra S has secured 369 out of 400. Miss Naharika R has secured 368.5 out of 400. Miss Jocelyn Antoinette T has secured 368 out of 400. Miss Lakshika A has secured 368 out of 400. Master Shan Hussain Izzat has secured 367 out of 400. Master Srihari D has secured 367 out of 400. Ananya Sri A has secured 367 out of 400. Miss Shirley Tina J has secured 367 out of 400. Master Manaswin V has secured 66.5 out of 400. Master Lohit RV has secured 366.5. Master Pradeep T has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Ritika KS has secured 366 out of 400. Master Mitran V has secured 366 out of 400. Master Dikshidan R has secured 366 out of 400. Master Tarun Y has secured 366 out of 400. Miss Anuvika S has secured 365.5 out of 400. Master Pradyush KS has secured 364.5. Miss Samyukta S has secured 364 out of 400. Michelle Sparshana AS has secured 364 out of 400. Miss Janavi V has secured 364 out of 400. Master Vishnu Charan has secured 363.5 out of 400. Miss Pranavi G Bradar has secured 363 out of 400. Miss Arshika RK has secured 363 out of 400. Master Varun K has secured 363 out of 400. Master Navanish S has secured 363 out of 400. Miss Arshita CK has secured 361 out of 400. Miss Keshika S has secured 361 out of 400. Master Jason Joseph J has secured 360 out of 400. Master Kabilan K has secured 360 out of 400.
With deep pride and joy, we congratulate each and every student who has been appreciated here today. Gratitude is the best prayer and a sign of noble hearts. As we have come to the end of this event, it is time to show our gratitude to everyone present here. I request Pratmesh to deliver the oath of thanks.
The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I consider it as a great privilege to propose the vote of thanks to all dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and successful event. Today, my words are not enough to express my gratitude. It is believed that it is not the place but the people that make the event worth remembering. We have proved it again. On behalf of all the students, teachers, and management of Velamal Bodhi campus, Kolapakam, I would like to thank our respected chairman sir who has blessed us for this momentous occasion. A special mention to our Director Sir and Director Ma'am for standing as pillars of our strength. With a deep sense of gratitude, we thank you for your support and guidance. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I am immensely thankful to our school heads for inspiring us to come forward with zeal and dedication. Behind every successful event lies the effort of committed faculty members. Thank you, teachers, for your immense contribution and enormous cooperation. Finally, it is important that we acknowledge the unconditional love and support of our parents. Where we stand today is the combination of all your hard work and efforts, and we know that we can go further with renewed confidence that you will be there with us to celebrate our victories. I would like to end my speech with a quote. When we express gratitude, we must not forget that the highest appreciation is not simply uttering words, but live by them. I once again thank you all for your support in making this ceremony a grand success. Thank you, one and all.